want to get attention of taxi. How do you get their attention? You get their attention by using the very last word, the very last one I talked about that says rude to use in interpersonal communication, people to people communication. You can use that for taxis. Ace, taxi, ace, ace, you know, it's almost as though you are hissing, but with ace, ace, taxi, ace, taxi, you know, ace, okada. Some of them will say is so, and all that. But then that is how you get attention for taxi. And since we are talking about getting attention of taxi, this is going to be very short though. So how do you tell a taxi, I am going to XYZ place, how much does it cost, and please take me there? So I am going to XYZ place. When you get the attention of the taxi, and you want to say I'm going to XYZ place, you say Anamaga XYZ. You name the place. Anamaga West End, Anamaga Woji, Anamaga Rumibekwe, Anamaga Bulumkutu. So you name the place you want to go. Or Anamaga Concord, or Anamaga Menaccord Hotel. You name the place you want to go, and you ask him Menaccord Eghole. If you're going to Menaccord Hotel, you say Menaccord Eghole. That is a short way of saying it. You say the name of the place where you're going to, and you say how much. So once he's agreed that he knows the place you're going to, you just call the name of the place and say how much. Eghole is how much. So I can say Port Harcourt Eghole, I can say Lagos Eghole, I can say Texas Eghole. You know, that means to take me to Texas, how much will it cost? Very simple and short. Now for you to confirm whether he knows the place, you ask him, Ima Texas, Ima Concord Hotel, Ima Cambridge University, Ima Bulumkutu Street, Ima Tudunwada. So Ima, and you call the name of the place, is trying to confirm, do you know XYZ location? When he says yes, you say Anamaga Bahu. Anamaga Bahu is I'm going there. Anamaga Ebe Ahu, I am going there. Anamaga Eba is I am going here. Anamaga Ebe Ahu, once Ahu is to it, is I'm going there. So Eba is here, Eba Ahu is there. Then you ask Menaccord Eghole, that is how much will it take, how much will it cost to take me to Menaccord? Once you've all agreed on these three things or two things, you then say Kogam Eba, that is take me there, or Kogam Menaccord. You still repeat the name of the place, take me to Menaccord. So Kogam is take me to, then you name the place you want to go. And with all these things you can add Biko, please take me there. Biko Kogam Eba, please take me there. Biko Kogam Eba, please take me there. And that is a way you can go further beyond getting attention of taxi, bike, and all those things to find your way. So for now, that is it on getting attention.